Hello everyone, this is how to make characters speak in Scratch. So, imagine if you want two characters talking to each other. So let's do this. So I make two Scratch cats just chatting to each other. They're just chatting about stuff. Yeah. So this Scratch cat can say, when green flag clicked, go in looks, and then make him say something. He can say hello. Then go in events, then broadcast message 1. Go to the other Scratch cat. When I receive message 1, then say like whatever you want him to say. Um Make a new message called you can call it anything really. But just to make it easier you can use just small message. Then message 2, when he receives message 2, then he says obviously that's a little bit too long, so I'll make it say for 3 seconds. Now I'll broadcast event 3 message. When I receive message 3, then he will say and finally this Scratch cat says in looks say so let's watch it. Hello. Hi. Did you know the kiwi birds live in New Zoomland? That seems fake. Yeah, I'm just joking. So yeah, that's how to make like simple text in Scratch. See you later.